Controlling Anger, Sam's Secret Trick. Hi, I'm Sam. There was a time when the smallest things could make me explode. A teammate bumping into me, losing a game by a tiny mistake, or even a joke felt like the world was against me. I would yell, slam doors, and storm off. Friends started avoiding me. It was tough. Teachers looked frustrated, and my parents sighed with worry. One afternoon during football practice, a teammate accidentally blocked my goal. My legs wanted to kick, my hands trembled, and I was ready to shout. Mrs. Kapoor, our counselor, noticed my frustration. She gently said, "Next time you feel this anger, don't react immediately. Step away." I frowned, unsure if it would work, but decided to try it the next day. In class, a friend teased me about my project. My face heated up. The old me would have shouted, but this time, I stood up. I walked slowly to the back of the classroom and grabbed a pen. I began to doodle on the edge of my notebook, tracing shapes and patterns. The longer I doodled, the calmer I became. My breathing slowed. A few moments later, I returned to my friend. I calmly said, "Let's fix this together." We got back to our project, and the teasing stopped. I felt a proud surge. Later, during another football game, someone accidentally bumped into me again. My first impulse was to yell, but I stepped aside. I picked up the ball and tossed it lightly a few times. My teammates noticed the difference. The game flowed smoother. When I scored, they cheered louder than ever. My calm had a visible effect. That evening, I found a folded note tucked in my backpack. It read, "Sam, someone noticed how calm you stayed today." My eyes widened. I hadn't expected anyone to notice. That little note made me realize something powerful. My action of stepping away and redirecting energy was making a difference. From that day on, whenever I felt anger rising, I stepped aside. Redirecting my energy became my go-to move, and it transformed my interactions. I even shared this trick with my friends. One small action changed everything. And it could change your day too. Give it a try.